Okay, so I'm going to divide this tile into 3 parts. Okay, I'm going to use my pencil very lightly. Okay, so I have like darkened it so that you can see, but it has to be even lighter than this. Okay, and I'm just roughly dividing it. Rectangle has to be more fun, not much of rules. Okay, so now that since I have an idea, I'm going to start drawing with my pen like an inner box. Okay, try to give a lot of gap. Okay, but if you wish, you can draw very close to the pencil line. Okay, since I'm keeping my pen very gentle, okay, I think this box is a bit larger, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to divide this. This is better, right? Yeah. Hey Anju, hey Chia. So many of you are joining me today. It's so nice, so pleasant to see you guys. Okay, so I'm just going on drawing those inner boxes. You can see that for every stroke, I just move my tile. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so now I draw an outer aura. You can draw over the pencil, and I'm going to give that handy character. So let it be like a slight curve, or just deliberate stroke. Right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start drawing something like a squirrel. Okay, right, and I'm going to draw in different directions. Let this come from here, maybe this one can come from my right above, and then a slight bit over here. So they're all in different directions. If you want, you can draw them in the same also, just for fun. This is right. Okay, now for an easy stroke. This is not the way I did. I would do this, but then there's no rule. I want you to take your pencil and just aura this. Okay, so I'm going to imagine as though this pencil line is reaching down. So can we do that? Take your pencil very lightly, very lightly, just so you can see it, because we're not going to use any eraser. So let it be very gentle, and then create these auras. Okay. Okay. Yep. That's it. Now I'll start adding lines and a little bit of darkness. So I'll show you how it is. So we're not going to touch around this line. We're going to leave slight bit of gap and just add this line. Okay. So can you see? I'm just going to bring my camera a bit closer. Okay. So I'm leaving this little gap and bringing my lines towards the center. Okay. So say about after 2 or 3 lines, I'm just going to slightly curve and create this kind of, what to say, I don't know, stripes. Yeah. So just maybe 1 or 2 auras or 3 auras, and then a stripe. Okay, and then darken it. Just slowly go about. It's going to be really very pretty to see. Okay, you can see that I am bending few lines. It's not really straight. Okay, so it is slightly bent, and I am moving my tile, and I can even change the direction of my lines. Okay, so generally I don't use my pencil auras. I just go about with that unconformed lines. It may not be so regular and so precise as we do it, but still it looks beautiful. Just relax, immerse yourself with the music and your pen and my constant instructions. I'm going to remove this cap over the pen. Find it to be a bit heavy. Thank you for the hearts. Hi Rose. Hi Anna Maria. I recognize you guys. I remember I have visited some of your profiles. Okay, and now as I come down, I'm going to reduce the size. So you can just see that slightly I'll reduce, go a bit down and then dots. Okay, in the same way, when I'm moving towards the inside, I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, just going to take that part. Okay, and then you can add some boxes, square boxes, and then few dots. Okay, and if you want, you can create a teardrop shape. Here you can add your favorite color, just slight a bit, it will look very pretty, right? So I just want to segue a bit and tell you about the project that I'm working. So since you guys know that October month we all play the Inktober, and it started by a very wonderful artist, Jake Parker, and even in Zentangle we play Inktober Tangles. So there are groups who create prompts, Tangle prompts, and I have been following Tangle prompt from Stephanie. So this year as well I'm going to play Inktober Tangles 2021, and I have been playing Inktober Tangles since 2017, but really consistently finishing all the 31 days from 2019. Yes, so this is my third year and I'm planning to complete my 31 days, but this year I'm planning to play like a project. I'm going to start a new project that's called Tangle Transformations. So we're going to use the same tangles as Inktober, and from that tangles we're going to go on and explore the many ways. Okay, I'll really tell you, I don't know, my brain is going just like wide open. I'm just allowing all the energy to just flow inside me, and I'm thinking of preparing this project. Anyways, I'm going to play with the project. I just thought maybe you guys might want to play with me, and so if you are interested, please go to my Instagram and go to my bio link. There you'll find newsletter. Okay, it will take you to my website. Over there you can subscribe to my newsletter, because I'm going to give you a complete information about the project in another 2 to 3 days, and this will be via email. Okay, so I will need your email because I won't be there. I'm not in town over the weekend from Sunday to Tuesday, but of course I'll be available online definitely. And but since all these things are happening, I'm going to tell all about the projects via email. So do subscribe to the newsletters. Okay, don't miss it out, and let's do this fun project. I don't know how I'm going to do 31 days video, but I have played. If you remember 2020, we had Zentangle journaling for 31 days. We had a nice Facebook group, and the whole program was launched on YouTube. That was the first ever month I just said, okay, I want to attempt an online project, and I just every day we played with the videos. It was immensely appreciated. I'm so thankful and grateful to the Zentangle community. And then we had this year in beginning we had Heart Eisen series. So we did Facebook Live for 15 days, and now this project, but this will be a little paid project. I would like to just let you know beforehand, because I'm going to invest my time. I'm going to show many ways. I just thought maybe we can do together, and how many ever join, even if it is one person, I'll be very happy to do project together. But I'm hoping more response from all of you. And so please do go to my bio or just go tangleandinspire.com, and you can just subscribe to the newsletter, and I will be posting, I think the blog will be out, and I'm still working on the writings and what is the course about. I'll give you some free links of all the tangles that I'll be using, so that way it will be really guide for you how to start. And I'm going to play on a sketchbook, so I'm going to even note down all the tangles that we'll be using. So all the links will be provided, definitely. Let's meet each other. And for another 3 days I'll be coming online. We'll be having live sessions like this, because since I want to talk about my project, so do join me Friday, tomorrow at 10 p.m. and Saturday also 10 p.m. Okay, so we're gonna join in the night. Once I have rested, I have finished my dinner, I'm good to go online. So we'll meet tomorrow again at 10 p.m. and we'll be playing some part of it from the project, so you get the idea of what we're gonna do. Okay, so this will be fun, and yes, everything will be on Instagram. So okay, so let's start tangling. Sorry I took a lot of time, because you see that I have not really sat and prepared what I have to talk. It's just coming on my mind and I'm going forward with it. Thank you, Ekta. Thank you so much. I'll be very glad if you join me for 31 days project. Yes. And guys, I tell you, you're gonna take a lot more than the project. I tell you, it will be so fun. Like, I've been working on this project past say about 11 months, and October is something so cool, it's my birthday, and I don't want to launch any of the program after my birthday. This is something I have worked all through the 37th year, so that's the reason I'm hurrying a bit, whereas I can always wait for the right time, things like that. Let me just scroll if I have missed any of your messages. Okay. I think I have answered everyone's. If you guys have any questions, do ask me. Put it on this link. So I'll be working on one more scroll of this. Okay, and then we'll be covering the other tangles. Okay. So Ekta is asking, what tangle is it? Joined a bit late, looks like. Okay, so I have not mentioned the tangles so far. Okay, so the tangle names are Jolly and Savannah, and we are playing it along with the tangle tied together. Okay, so this frame that you see is from the tangle tied together. So we are playing with the 3 tangles. You can find the tangles on the tanglepatterns.com. So I have inverted my tile. You can see, this way I really don't see any mistakes happening. I'm just going with the flow. So many times you would have seen me, drawing invertedly, because tangles don't have to be upright. It can be of any shape, in any way. So fun. can ask me any questions, anything that you are playing. Can you tell me what projects are you working? If you are happy, where you find your tangles, or something about your country, I'll be very happy. I know many of you would have even muted it. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yes, I too love the music. I think I'm going to use this music quite often. They're very lovely piano. It just sets the mood, you know. Yeah. Okay. So now, so it's the same thing that we're gonna do all the tangles. You can use your different pens, color pens, anything that you want. Okay, I prefer to use the black and white. Okay, so that's my favorite thing and all time favorite. So that's how it is. And but I do use colors. Yeah. Yes, thank you. Ekta says, love the serene music. I'm an ingredient to work on PP. Oh, 15. Okay, so you are like completely playing with the Project Pack series of 15. That's lovely. Wonderful. Wonderful to know. I've seen your work today morning. You shared it on the group. Thank you. It was so good. It was so beautiful. And I hope for the person you drew, really like it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add small little orbs, okay, like a knob on these empty spaces. Okay, here it goes. Yeah. Okay, they loved it. That's nice. Nice to know, Ekta. So now I'm going to add aura and connect it to the orb, and then take it from here all the way to the top. Okay. Let me just keep the camera a bit away. Okay. And then again I do the same thing. Here again, connecting the orb and the line, right? And now I'm going to nicely darken these spaces. So I'm going to double it and then ink it. Okay, so you first double the line and then you fill the space, so that way you can have a very neat stroke of the orb. Okay. Right, so now I'm going to create this, darken it at the edges, okay, like a V shape. Bring it out from the orb and just create this thickness. We call it as weighting, as though the whole thing is holding. Okay, so you can see that I'm just taking a line towards the end. Right here as well. I'm going to imagine as though this part is touching the orb. Right, so these are the little things that we need to take care, and it takes a bit time and our patience. Just don't think it's testing. Enjoy the moment. After a while you won't even know how much time has passed on. And once again, I just take my line and bring it till the corner. Just right. I'm a very slow drawing, slow artist. Yeah, I don't want to say drawer. Yeah, but I'm very slow in drawing. I've seen artists drawing like so quickly. Yes, thank you, 3D Designs. She says that it's perfectly relaxing. I'm glad you are relaxed. Actually, I am also very relaxed. Today it's my chum's day, so I'm having uncomfortability or pain. But when I'm like doing Zentangle, I completely forget about all those inconvenience. It just gets erased. And I have seen that many women who are having PCOS or have menstrual problems comes with cramps and pains, often feel relieved when they are drawing Zentangle, because they are not really thinking or waiting to think. So I think that's helping. Okay, so after this I'm going to go a little bit overboard. Okay, so I'm going to do that over here as well, just for our sake, for this session's sake. I'm going to keep it empty and I'm going to aura these spaces. Okay, just slowly aura it, very close to the line. Okay, just too beautiful. I keep my pen very lightly. Right? So now I'm going to add one more tangle. I know many of you just keep the video on and enjoy the music and tangling. So thank you so much. I keep getting that feedback. Okay, what size nib is the pen? Asked 3D Designs. So this is actually Micron O1 pen. The nib size is say about 0.25. Yeah. So Micron pens, their numbers would be different from the nib size. Okay. So this tangle is called hybrid, and after creating the mountains, okay, we start with the aura, okay, and each time you aura both the sides in the same way. So you take one aura on the top and then aura in the bottom. There are many ways to draw tangle hybrid, but this way I find it very convenient since I am doing the stroke together. Okay. I'm just changing a little bit of the line weight. You can see I'm giving a little bit more space. So you can play like that. Certain lines can be way closer, and some lines you can keep it separately. Right? And then this part you can either color it or ink it. Over here I'm just going to create some triangles and then darken it. Okay. So over this side I'm going to draw the other way. First the mountains, just like the schoolgirls, and then aura raising towards the top of the mountain, and then the downfall, and then raising. So we rise and we fall together. Sorry, I'm making all kind of bad jokes here. You're welcome, 3D Designs. Yeah, you can ask me any questions, no problem. All these Zen supplies are available with me. If you want, you can purchase. from my shop, you just DM me. I can give you the link of my shop, so you can just purchase from there. Okay, so that's how we're gonna play, right? And if you're a little bit more comfortable, I would like to add few lines, okay, inside. So this just gives me that kind of a depth that I look forward. This can be at any directions, not really particular if it is this side or that side. Okay, you can skip this if you are not comfortable. Right, so we're going to draw the same thing over all the tile. Okay, so I'm going to leave this piece as it is. I'm going to take time later and complete the Zen tile. So we'll start with the shading. Okay, is it visible? I'm not sure. Okay, I hope it's not too bright. Can you tell me? Can anybody tell me if it is visible? If it is clear? Hi Jayashree. Jayashree is my actually aunt. Thank you Chitti for coming in. Okay. So how I draw is, I'm going to shade just the downside of this savanna triangle. I keep my pencil a bit flatter to the ground, right? And then I'm going to use my Tortillon and smooth this. Right? And now I will just add shading towards the corner. And then spread it out, just more than these. Okay, you can do that over here as well. And then gently spread it out, right? And this one I'm going to just shade on the top or bottom side, either of the side, whichever you feel comfortable, in the odd, and then smoothen it. Okay, now I'm going to shade this pretty side and this pretty side. Okay, very gently, lightly you put the graphite. We don't want it too much since the area is very small. Okay. Just move that little bit of graphite over the outside of the. Okay. Okay. I don't know why I'm not feeling as though the screen is clear. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Yeah, I think it's better. Little bit. I don't know. Then I'm going to add shading just slightly over the downside. Okay. So if you are going to keep something like open, you can use this shading. If you're going to tangle, you don't do this shading. Okay, you're just going to tangle, shade only two sides. Right. So I hope you enjoyed this session. One more tweak that you can do to just enhance, after you have shaded, you have tangled, you can take a slightly bit of thicker pen if you have. So I'm going to use my 08. Okay, and I'm going to just darken the inner box. This is totally optional. If you feel you have really darkened the space, then please don't do this. Okay, so this way you can just highlight the whole tangle. So thank you so much for tangling along with me. Here we end this session, and we'll meet tomorrow again at 10 p.m. I hope you guys are available, and I wish this session saves on IGTV so I can share it with you. Let me just take time and write down the tangle names that we played today. So all these tangles are tied together, which is again a tangle. Okay. Thank you 3D Designs. I would love to see your artwork, whichever way, however way you complete it. Please post it on Insta and do tag me as Tangle and Inspire. Okay, let me just write down the date, because sometimes I just forget. Chalo then, take care. Tata, bye bye. See ya.